So as you can see, I'm joined by Griff Jr. or Griff Jr. number 1. Welcome to the unboxing video of the Grainfather SF50. So I have bought this courtesy mainly of you guys here on the channel. Been supporting me over the years, and with YouTube revenue, super thanks as well, has resulted in me being able to afford to buy the SF50, which I'm hoping will be a great companion for my Grainfather G40. So there's not many affordable fermenters that I've seen on the market currently which are compatible enough with the Grainfather G40. So this one I purchased from Brew UK, and it was at a bargain price of £319, and that included 2 free recipe kits, which are 25 litre batch recipe kits, which is in this box here. So there's 50 litres worth of beer recipe and this for £319. Now compare that to all of the other mainstream homebrew suppliers, and it's £359 just for this itself. I have checked with a couple to ask if they're having any upcoming discounts or events soon, and one of them has come back to me and said no, we're not having anything soon, but if we do, we'll give you the difference in vouchers, which is very fair. But yeah, absolute bargain I think for this. And by my rough calculations, 100 pints through this, £3.80 a pint in my local. I know you guys in London are going to be jealous about that, but that's 380 quid's worth of beer, so this has already paid for itself in terms of consumption. That works out, doesn't it? Yeah, let's just, yeah, it's paid for itself already basically. Let's get the unboxing underway and yeah, see what we got. It's not live.
I know. Oh, I can imagine you when it's live.
Imagine. Smell that, there? Smell that. It smells really good. Ooh. Cheers. Nice to meet you. Instruction manual. Yeah, let's look at that if we have to. It's a nice bit of shiny. It's got some weight to it as well. That's nice, isn't it? Some more package. Oh, thank you very much. So I believe these are the legs. Chuck them down here, bud. Right, can you hold the box for me, please?
Oh, that seems really light. Is it really light?
No, it's quite heavy.
Oh, the box was light.
Yeah, okay, do you want to take the box away?
Outside.
No, it's fine.
Ooh.
Is it heavy? Okay, stop. Do me a favour, can you hold that like that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
I will.
Whatever you do, don't drop it.
I won't.
I'll put you up for adoption if you do. There is more bits here. Wheels. 2, 3 wheels. It's a 3-wheeler. We have some bits, airlock, and a bung. Okay, suppose we better start putting it together.
Yay!
Okay, that looks safe enough there to me. Famous last words. hang on, let's check the instructions. Parts list, yeah. Oh, I was right, I didn't even need to check. Assemble the legs, then the casters, and then the bits and pieces. So let's get it standing up. I'm going to put it at its highest level, just so it's easy to work on. And yes, exciting times.
You are doing that with unboxing bit.
Oh, look at that. Whoosh! So these must be the bolts. So that little white bag comes with the thermowell and the racking arm element and the bolts. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to wait till it's stood up first. Actually, yeah, I'll make adjustments later on to make sure it's level. Right, what size spanner do I need for them? Have a guess.
What's the spanner again?
What?
The twirly thing. Oh, that.
Is that 17?
Ow.
No?
No, that's 15.
19? Is it 19 now?
Yeah.
Told ya. Well done. Let's just nip these up. Next box. So that's the 3 legs on. Now we need to install the casters. Obviously these are optional if it's just going to be, you know, staying in one place. There isn't any rubber feet on these, so yeah, I probably would recommend to put the casters on, in all fairness. So when you lock these in place, you can use it to tighten right in. Well, I never.
Don't think you need instructions.
Famous last words. And do the next 2. Okay, so now we have the casters on. Sound a bit rough, but whatevs. And then we have the beginnings.
Whoa.
Chuck these out the way. Right, see ya.
Mum's probably wondering what's going on.
Problem solved. Okay, as you can see, it's at a pretty decent height. What I'll do now, we'll install the thermowell, which I have here, which is obviously, this goes onto the inside to accept the thermowell or thermometer. You know what I mean, the probe. Is that 19mm as well? What do you reckon? Yes or no?
No, well, that's more, definitely.
Oh, you're right. Okay, that's nipped up. And then we can install the racking arm or sample port. Very good thick seal around there, the same as the SS Brewtech 7 gal Brewmaster has. And then we have our airlock. And bung. So this is a tri-clamp fitting on the top here. So we can do pressure transfers if we wish. This doesn't hold much pressure. I think it's only like 2 or 3 psi, I think. I'll have to check and put it on the screen. But yeah, here we have it. Fully assembled. On the bottom side there, I think that is a 1-inch ball valve. 1/4 inch. It's a 3/4 inch ball valve. And as you can see, it's kind of like a welderless finish right on the bottom there. And it's the same on the inside. Very, very tidy looking and hygienic. I'm sure you would say so yourself, Mr. Harry Brew. So, very impressed with the quality. Don't drop it. And I absolutely can't wait to clean it up and stick a 40-litre batch in it this weekend. And now I know what you're thinking. I'm wearing a hat. Tess here is wearing a woolly jumper, so it is cold in here. And what I'm doing about that is I've already purchased an STC 1000 as a temperature controller. I have the probe, the thermostat probe, and I have a brew belt. Now I'm hoping with the brew belt or 2 that it might be enough wrapped around this to keep the chill off and to keep it at a decent temperature. Failing that, I will modify my very popular fermentation chamber which you're currently sat on, and in order to be able to fit this in, which I'm sure it will do without any problems. Okay, so hopefully that has been a useful video for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a like. That's the same thing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'm hoping to get the first brew day up soon after this video as well, just to see how that fares. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Iechyd.
Iechyd.
Well done, Tess. First full vid.
Put bloopers in.
Bloopers? Bloopers?
Bloopers when you said like and thingy.